Namaste. This is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and today we'll be trying to decode the month September for the zodiac sign Aries. Aries are people who are born from March 22 to 21st of April. So anyone who is born on this date, please listen to me carefully. And if you know any friend of yours or any loved one of yours or anyone who's born between March 22 to April 21, please share this video. I hope they get some insights. So let me see how September will fetch to Aries. All right. So these are my tarot cards. Let me meditate a bit. All right. Tarot cards, please tell me, how will the month September be for the sun sign Aries? All right. Okay. Intuitively, I am removing these cards. All right. Very excited. Perfect. Perfect. So now let me see what's the first insight. All right. Sun sign Aries. Okay. So the trailer of the month September for sun sign Aries, the trailer is that you will get a lot of help. You will get a lot of help, especially from people who have feminine energy. Okay, so a male can also have feminine energy, a female can also have feminine energy, a female can have male energy, a female can have feminine energy. So everyone shifts their energies, but you will benefit from people who have feminine energy, and especially from the age group of 40 to 60. So maybe you'll get a lot of help in the month of September. This is what I see. And definitely, if you are stuck in any kind of a condition, or if you really want advice, you should go to someone of a feminine energy from age group 40 to 60. Yes, and I'll give a little clue of how their nature could be. Their nature could be a little spiritual. They'll be very, problem solving people. Their abilities will be very problem solving. They'll be very good advisors. They'll be people who have lot of correct detachments and correct attachments. A very balanced kind of a person. So search for certain kind of people, such kind of people, and get help. So this is the trailer of this month, and let me see what else is happening. What else is happening? Okay, only thing that you need to be sure of is your perception towards relations. Relations will be good, but there's one card. If you see this card, this person is having well arranged cups in front of him, but he is dreaming of the cup which is just not in existence. So be a little cautious about what are you thinking of relations. Maybe you think at this point in time that relations are not working for you. People are not behaving the way you want. They are not giving you the expected outcome, results, emotional support, financial support, whatever it is. But it's not true. You have to change your perception to look at relations. Maybe you are looking at them in a wrong way, not exactly wrong, but maybe in a different way. You have to change your perception toward relations, or else you will be an unsatisfied person for no reason. Because people do the best that they can do for you. You cannot over expect, or you cannot expect that this is exactly what I want this person to say right now. This might not happen, and you might get into a certain zone where you feel that whatever I have is okay, but I still want that. You know, my mother is okay, but my friend's mother is better. My wife is okay, but the other person's wife is a better wife. I should have had a wife like this, or my sister is a better wife. Why is not my wife like my sister? And vice versa. I'm not only talking about wives, but even wives feeling about their husbands. Or my son or my daughter, my God, she only gets 90%. The other daughter, my neighbor's daughter, gets 99%. This is not the way you look at relations and life. I might have exaggerated, but the crux of the story is you need to change your perception towards relations. So by now, we know the story is you will get a lot of help. You know that you need to change a little perception towards relations and money. Okay, money conditions will give you a certain test in September. Not that you will not have money, not that money will be a problem, but you might be little insecure when money comes into consideration, where money comes into consideration. So don't be insecure. I see Aries becoming just generally insecure about relations also now, and now money also. So don't get nightmares about money. No, it's not a bad card. Don't you worry about that. Not a bad card. Just like you becoming very insecure, you losing your sleep, you thinking about money so much, and you have so much of planning, because these swords card, they give a lot of plannings. You have so much of planning that this EMI should go from this account, and this account should have this much at the end of the month, and then this premium will go from here, and you have so much of planning. And by this date, this is what I need to achieve. It's okay if you don't achieve that by that date. Coming days are good. Don't you worry about that. So don't be so insecure about money that you start getting nightmares. All right. But money condition is okay. There's no survival issue as such. So by now I understand that Aries might get an insecure kind of an energy where it relates to relations also, where it relates to money also. Now let me see career. Okay, career is where you need to be very headstrong. Okay, no card in tarot, I always say that it's a bad card. No, each and every card gives you an insight, and I'm here to decode those insights for you. All right, you might face a little political game with you, or you might face a little mm, planned strategy against you. And it would be true. Here, I won't say that you are insecure and you change your perception towards whatever is going on in your job or in your career. But yes, that's why I said you need to be a little headstrong. You need to think by your head when it comes to your career. If you are a business person, if you feel that this employee is not worth a certain thing, then you need to talk, you need to work it out, you might take better decisions. Or if you're in a job and if you feel that some things are just not working out, be headstrong. Don't be emotional, because people might take you emotionally, people might strategize things against you. But good, it's okay. I mean, all these things keep happening in life and you have to deal with them, and these experiences only make you a better person. So I have given you the solution here itself. I have already told you that you need to be headstrong. Don't think by your heart. If things are not working, just step back. Just go and communicate. Just go and tell that this is what I feel, and just stand up for yourself in your career. Right? Now let me see. Okay. Health is good. Yeah. Health is good for Aries. I know I won't suggest that go and do your daily checkups, because it seems good. You need not be very insecure about that. But still, the card which has come up shows that you need to enhance your mental and spiritual strength. See, we take our vitamins, we take care of our health, we take our medicines, we take our tonics, and we always take care of our physical health. But I always say that the physical health is dependent on your emotional health. If your emotions are fine, your health is fine, totally fine. Whatever you medically are being diagnosed, keep your emotions straight. I know so many people. I know so many clients. I know so many students who have worked this way. Their cholesterol levels are super high, their sugar levels are super high, and whatever health problems they might be going through. But if their emotions are in the correct space, those symptoms will just fade away. Those symptoms might not even affect you, and they are just gone. Simple as that. So here you will be taking care of your health in a very spiritual way. Now what do you do in your spiritual way? Okay, maybe you meditate. Okay, maybe you learn something. Maybe you start taking care of yourself mentally. Maybe you start introspecting. Maybe you start loving yourself. So I used to do this with my hair a lot. So when I had issues with hair, I used to just tell my hair that whatever it is, I love you so much, and I want you to be in the correct of texture and the correct of color and in the best of the health. And I used to every day talk to my hair. So obviously, I did take vitamins and whatever else has to be done. I never say stop that, but they will also fructify only when you give them so much of love. And I really love my hair. So this is what you have to do with your health so far. So Aries, take care of your mental, emotional health in the spiritual way, and you'll be fine within your physical way. And now I just want to talk about one simple thing like travel. It's a good time to travel. In India, there are rains, so a lot of people go for a rainy picnic or something. This is the time that you can definitely do that. Travel is good. I think you will travel. A small travel kind of a thing has been shown, not a big travel, but yes, travel is shown. Um, Travel with family is shown. Travel with people who are like family or extended family is shown, and I would say that will also affect good with your health. So definitely go for a travel. So overall, I'm happy with the reading for Aries in September. The points that we should recollect is not being very insecure with relations, and not being very insecure with money. So like a good month. I mean, a mix of all taste, sour, sweet. Yeah, all kinds of tastes. Overall, very good. Congratulations and all the best. And a small tip: if you ever feel insecure, just inhale. All right, a small tip from my side: just inhale the security till your throat. Okay, that's it. You will not take it into your system. Close your eyes and spew it out in a bubble. Spew it out in a bubble. Psychically remove that bubble, knot it up, and send it in the air. Anytime you start feeling insecure about anything. So that is my reading for Aries. And definitely share this video, definitely follow the channel so that maybe someone else gets insight about how to live the month. And maybe you never know how people are motivated by such kind of videos. So surely share this video. Thank you so much.